Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Dale Earnhardt Jr. Now Dale Earnhardt Jr., also known as Dale Jr., or commonly referred to by his nickname, Jr., is a former race car that competed in the Piston Cup racing series with number 8. He started racing in the Piston Cup in 2000 and won the Piston Cup Rookie of the Year award that year. He was also awarded the title of the Piston Cup Most Popular Driver 4 times between 2000 and 2006. In the mid-2000s, he competed for Dale Earnhardt Inc, which he owns. Now, here's his history. In cars, Dale competes in the 2006 Dinoco 400 at the Motor Speed of the South. When she kicks causes a huge crash, Dale is involved in the wreck, where he slides and hits the wall. Dale finishes the race round the middle. After Lightning McQueen is discovered as missing, Dale is interviewed by RSN, and he expresses his worries and concerns for the rookie race car. Now Dale attends the tiebreaker race between Weathers, Hicks and McQueen at Los Angeles International Speedway, where he wishes Weathers good luck prior to the start of the race. Dale also appears during the film's epilogue, where he, the Strip, and Linda Weathers visit the Racing Museum in Radiator Springs. While touring, Dale voices his admiration of Doc's win record during a single season, 27 wins during this 1952 season, which hasn't been broken yet, and he'll probably never be broken. Let's see. When the three visitors ask Maker about Doc Hudson's current whereabouts, he informs them that he and McQueen are out practicing at Willie's Butte. Dale is last seen next to Red, watching Toy Car Story at the Radiator Springs Drive-In Theatre. Here's his physical description. Dale is an Axolo Fission, which is identical to the 2000 Chevy Monte Carlo NASCAR. He is painted red and number 8 painted in white on his doors and roof. He has the Dale Earnhardt Inc logo on his bonnet, as well as his own tyres Lightyear lettering on his front wheel wells, unlike all the other Piston Cup races from the first film. Instead of a Piston Cup sponsor sticker on his door. Let's see. Let's have a closer look at him now. So as I explained earlier, it's red, and he's got a Lightyear on his wheel wells, which is nice. Actually, isn't it based on Dale's real NASCAR car? Because I'm pretty sure it is. Well, I mean, the King's is. The King's is based on Richard Petty, and the King's also by Richard Petty, and yeah. Also, Dale Earnhardt Sr., he doesn't appear in the film, does he? Still, let's take a closer look at him. So, let's see, as you can see, he's got no grill, which in the car world is meant to represent a moustache, I suppose. Like, that certain Austrian painter. Hitler, yeah, him. That Austrian painter. Adolf Hitler's name is. See, Dale Earnhardt Inc. logo. Right, it has got a signature as well. I wonder how he can do that in the car world. And then you can see the 8, which is slightly slanted, which is nice. Let's see, it's kind of got grey, black, more of a grey colour. Yeah. As you can see, again, there's a signature again, Y. And yeah. Oh, there's a name up here. Not sure if you can see. See his name's up there. Probably can't see. Haha. Let's see, when was he released? He was released 2007, 2008 and 2009. I think this one's from 2008. And you can see it's a black swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. There we go, love it. Side exhaust, which all the rev. And on there there's a 12, I'm not sure what the significance of that is. Dale Earnhardt Jr. fans, help me out. Mr. Docket, I don't care. I can see his signature, which is, just about legible, I suppose. Funny. And here's the base, if you're interested. See, China, all of them leave China till about 2019, was it? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all there is to say. So goodbye, subscribe to me, and Mr. Docket. I don't know, Supersonic Channel 6, I don't know.